So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and work around with Boolean operations for shapes inside of Affinity. So to do that, over here, I'm going to go to vector first, the vector mode, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring in some shapes. Let's say, for example, I'm going to bring in this triangle, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring in this star as well. So you can see that I can bring in 3 shapes as well, but let me just go ahead and work with 2 right now. Let me just go ahead and change around the shape's color as well. So you can see that right now I have 2 shapes. But let's say I want to make these shapes as one, not as by grouping them, but one single shape that has the same path. In that case, you can go ahead and use Boolean operation. So for that, you need to go ahead and click and drag to select out both of the shapes right here. Then go around over here onto the shape right here. So you can see that I got these 2 shapes. I'm in selection tool. So over here on the top, you got different Boolean operation. Like you got add, you got subtract, you got intersect, you got XOR or divide. So if I were to go to add right here, you can see that it actually merges out with the layer beneath, and now it becomes a single shape right here. So it has turned into a single shape right here with one path following, as you can see. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, just like this. And then let's say, for example, I will get back right here. I get back the shape right here. Another thing that you can actually do is you can go ahead and subtract it. So if I were to subtract it, the top shape will be used to cut out the shape beneath. So you can see that you can get some details out of this right here. So let me just press Ctrl Z again, and then around over here, you can intersect as well. So only the overlapping part right here will be shown. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and choose XOR, meaning the one that is overlapping right here will actually be removed, and then the rest of the shape will be combined. And apart from that, you can also go around onto divide. And once you do that, what happens is that all of the overlapping shapes right here will be divided into separate shapes. So these are different ways, as you can see right here. So this is how everything happens. So let's just press Ctrl Z right here, just like this. So you got these multiple shapes right here. You can go around over here, let's say for example, and then let's say for example, let me delete this. If you want to make complex shapes, you can actually use this now. Let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and take an elliptical tool. I'm going to press Ctrl C and V to go ahead and duplicate it and keep this over here on the top. So it can be on the same color or different. I'm going to select this and subtract it, and you can see that I immediately have a moon. Similarly, let's say for example, I'm going to go for the double star tool and then click and drag this out right here. So I can go ahead and keep it right here, select out both of the shapes and combine it, and then you simply have the shape as you can see right here. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize Boolean operations in Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.